and welcome back to my channel. I am Shawn Jones Harris of Zariah's Creations, and today I want to share with you guys my brand new toy, which is a Flashpoint ring light. Up until now, I have been using the umbrella lights from Limo Studios, and I'll leave a link in the description bar down below. But I always wanted a ring light after watching numerous beauty videos on YouTube. Now, there's nothing wrong with the umbrella lights. I really like them and I'm going to keep them, but I just wanted to have a ring light of my own. So now I'm going to share with you the unboxing. So here is my box, and it is actually lying flat on my table. And it came stuffed with, I can't even say they're poofy. They're kind of flat here, but whatever. And here is the box. And it is a Flashpoint. It's a 13-inch light ring. Comes with a handle for easy traveling access, which is really cool. 13-inch. Alright, so let's get this bad boy open. I'm going to struggle with these nails. So I opened it, and then there is another case, a black case on the inside. And it actually came out very easily. And it just says Flashpoint on the outside. It has handles. Alright, so it has a zipper opening. And here we have, I guess this is the instruction manual that tells us how to use it. It is packed in a black styrofoam with the cord. Just another piece of styrofoam. Oh, that came out pretty easily. And then here we have the actual light. So the light is uncovered. It looks like an aluminum on the inside. So there's no like reflectors that came in the packaging. There's actually nothing else in here. So there's no reflectors that came. This is the connecting handle or a staff. The outer part is black in color. And this is the knob to tighten it up. Here is our dimmer, our power button on and off, and our dimmer. Right here. Our power button and our dimmer. This is very flexible, and of course, so it's just really one piece that comes with it, and I will show you how I put it together. So the ring light did not come with a stand. It's just a ring light, and so what I'm going to do is take my stand from the Limo Studios lighting system, and I am going to detach it, and then I am going to add my other lighting. Okay, so you're going to, this little insert right here is where we're actually going to insert the piece into from the top of the stand. Then we'll just tighten this up. tighten this up. Now this will, you can't see. Okay, so this will move back and forth for flexibility. And you can just tighten it up with this knob here. So I'm gonna make sure that's really tight. And then here's our cord. And it's just a standard cord, nothing fancy. One that fits a regular electrical socket. And so I will plug it up and then we can go a little bit into more detail. So right now I am using this bright light. Okay, so right now I only have on my dining room light. No other lighting is coming into this room. I'm actually recording at, I think it's after 9 p.m. So, which is really dark. And even in the daytime, my house doesn't, it's actually 9:21. So, even in the daytime, not a lot of natural light comes in. But I'm going to turn on the light, and you turn it on by the switch in the back. Whoa, that's really, really bright. And that's not even all the way up. But that is what it looks like, probably at halfway. That's right before you turn it off. Right there. Hopefully I'm not blinding you guys. And then that is all the way up. So let me show you what it looks like on me. So before I actually jump in front of the light, this is what it looks like on my backdrop with nothing but my ceiling light on. And now I'm going to turn on the ring light. And so that's just at a low. And that's what it looks like at a high. So you can't really tell too much of a difference. But I am actually going to turn it down and then I will hop in front of it. Okay, so this is me sitting in front of the ring light when it is actually at its lowest point. And that is just as soon as you turn the knob. And so let me... Okay, so this is me without the light against the backdrop. And now, when you first turn it on, it goes super, super bright. And then it adjusts itself the longer that it's on, and then it'll come down to wherever your knob is. So that is just before. And then, whew. Okay, and so that is at its highest level. That is turned all the way up. Turn up. Okay, I'm back. So that is at its highest level of power. It is very, very bright, but I imagine makeup artists need it to be that bright. And when you're doing beauty videos, I'm sure this is very much needed. It's very bright. The only thing that I don't know if I like or don't like is that it didn't come with reflectors. I've seen other ring lights from other companies that have a reflector, and it'll actually kind of hide and block out some of the rays so that it's not so strong and it's not so bright. I do feel heat, not like a lot, and I actually yeah, so I do feel heat surrounding it. I don't know how much heat is actually going to generate off of it, but so for right now I actually like the light. The only thing I also noticed is that it didn't come with a camera holder. So if you look at this slit here, you can actually put a gadget. I've seen it on other videos that will actually allow you to connect your camera or your phone to it. That did not come with this packaging, and I will go through the brochure. I'm not really sure if that is something that can be ordered separately. Here is the the back of the ring light. It's a fluorescent ring light. AC 120 volts over here. Here is your dimmer. To the right, it is the highest. To the left, it actually goes off. It actually indicates the power. Tells you what, I guess this is the model number of it. And so that is the back. It is a 13-inch, in case if you missed that. It is only a 13-inch ring light, which for me is fine. I'm not doing any beauty videos or anything like that. I just really just wanted to have the light because I just wanted to step up my game a little bit with my YouTube channel since I have a whole lot of new followers. And by the way, thanks for following me. And to stay in the know and see what I'm doing, click that button down below on the left hand side where it says subscribe. That is it for my show and tell of my new toy, the Flashpoint ring light. I'll leave a link in the description bar down below where you can get all the information on both my Limo Studio lights as well as the Flashpoint light. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and click that subscribe button down below where you see the notification bell.